My bike sounds like shit. Complete shit. Someone fucking kill me. Basically, my bike's got issues. I don't know what they are. My bike sounds rough. I don't really know what's going on. I'll be honest, I've just been dealing with so much shit and crap. Me and my partner have. And it has just been chaos. This guy's been getting up my arse. Oh, he's gone now. My bike sounds rough. Hopefully after the run to Shell station will help. But yeah, it's just been, honestly, pain. Like recently, just problems after problems. But it doesn't sound right. Something don't sound right. But yeah, it just doesn't sound right at all. Oh my god, it's hot. It's not as hot as yesterday, but it's still very, very, very warm. Very warm. I'm not getting fuel from over there, I'm getting fuel somewhere else. Be good to, oh, fuck you. Fuck you, you cunt. Yeah, just trying to sort of do my own thing. Well, we're trying to figure it out, really. Please don't pull out. Yeah, don't pull out, mate. The amount of times bikers have been hit there is crazy. Absolutely mental. I'm going to turn some music up. I want to listen to some music. Come on, mate. Come on. Let's do what you're supposed to be doing. 60, 70, okay? Even though 73 is like 70 on here, but oh my days, people, it is really, really warm. It's just uncomfortably warm. You're not gonna fucking cut me off like a cunt. It goes the same way, you daft fucker. I want to go get some nice fuel though. I've been filling up with shit recently. I think it might help if I actually put some good fuel in it. And sadly for a 125, if you're doing 70, 80 in this weather, you're asking for it, mate. So I'm just chilling in a minute. I am just chilling. But no, I'll tell you what, the 125 isn't too bad. I am going to let it cool off. Probably get a drink, have a smoke or something, get a vape. No, I'll tell you what, once the engine warms up, it sounds a bit better, or from what I can hear. I can mostly hear wind at the minute, but I'm cracking my visor, mate, it's too hot. Way too hot. It doesn't sound happy, I'll be honest. Oh my god, why are we doing 40 miles an hour? I'm not fucking sitting there doing that. That's stupid. Dangerous. Although he might have an actual reason for it. He might actually have a reason for it. And here we are. Yeah, nice one, mate. Cunt. We'll come over here. I'll get a vape and then go and try and find some shade somewhere, I suppose. Right. I haven't used Shell in ages, actually. Right, let's see how much it's going to cost me. 14 quid for 6.8 litres. You're having a laugh, you are. Okay. That's enough. How much are we paying, people? How much are you going to guess? Nearly 14 quid for 7 litres. That is fucking mental, that. That's fucking ridiculous. Having a giggle. Having an absolute giggle. But 14 quid, there you go, have a look at that. That's mental, that. That's expensive. I think I'm going to head back because I'm a bit nervous about taking this out actually. So 12,532 miles is when I started. I'm now on 12,570. That's about 30 plus miles, I think. 30 plus. I don't want to overheat, man. I'm gonna stick to 70. I hate this fucking slip road. This slip road actually winds me up. You're not overtaking me in a van. Get fucked, mate. He's gonna do me in a van. No. He's done me in a van. He's done me in the van. He's done me in the fucking van. What a cock. Why do you have to do me like that? It's a 125 getting boosted, cuz. Come on, cuz. Got done. You just got done by 125, mate. Fuck yeah. Fucking hell. I'm not even making a video at this point. I'm legit, in fact, just getting through a heat. This isn't even a fucking video at this point. It is so hot. It is genuinely, it's not even just hot, it's humid. And that's the worst thing. It's humid. The yellow fairs. Can't see them about. A yellow one, that's new. I'm not waiting for these fuckers. Look how... Oh, okay. Alright then. Cutting in front of you, mate. See you later. So I'm going to have to pull over and get some fucking air or something. 558, 578. I think I've done about 50 miles now, 40 miles. It's quieting down a bit, but it's also not. It's still loud, so I'm sorry about the noise, people. I am sorry about it. Look at this. Is there many bikes? No. Oh, fucking hell. I feel like I've worked out for like a week. This is heat. This is heat. Fuck. Fucking roasting. Hold on, I think someone's passed out. Shit, hold on. I don't know what to do. Should I open it? I think someone's passed out. Yeah, his lights are on. Is that your mate over there in the car? Is that your mate over there in the car? I think he's passed out. I don't know if I should open the door or something. What car? The Ford there. I don't know if he's... Because he's proper hunched over. I know it's hot today, so I don't know what to do, whether I should open it or... I've knocked on the window and he's not. I'm a bit concerned about him. Shall I call someone? Yeah. I'll get him to call an ambulance. One sec, I've actually got to deal with this now. Can we get an ambulance call? Yeah, he's shot. Hello, just a short cut into the video. So I've actually made it home now. I can't actually show some of the other stuff, mainly because I actually want to respect his privacy. But in the short schemes of things is I pulled up to the petrol station to get a vape and to relax a bit and chill out. It's so hot out. And I find this guy slumped over in his car, completely passed out with no awareness of what's going on. And I've had to get some help to actually, you know, wake him up in a sense. So that's basically what's happened. He's had a medical issue. The garage, I'm not very happy with the garage, to be honest, because they were trying to blame alcohol, trying to say he was, oh, he's drunk, he's blah, blah, blah. Regardless of that, whether he was drunk or having a medical issue, I believe he's having a medical issue. But he was sat there, from what I found out, since midday, 12 o'clock. When I pulled up, it was 2 p.m. He's been sat there for 2 hours, slumped over in his car in the roasting heat, with no one batting an eye. The garage knew that he was sat there, wasn't okay, and yet no one was called. They didn't call any ambulance, they didn't call any emergency services, nothing. So that's where we're at. I can't show some of the videos just due to privacy. I don't really want to actually out somebody if they're actually having a struggle with their personal medical issues. So some of these clips will be cut. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. I'm gonna head home now, but this fella, if you can see him, I'm gonna try to blow his face or something, but I think he's having a medical issue. But just found him slunched over. I thought he was having a stroke or something. But I think, well, they think he was drunk, right? But I don't know if he is. I mean, he's parked up all right. He's not getting smashes on his car or anything like that, so you know. But apparently he's waiting on a medical assessment at the moment for potential epilepsy and stuff like that. He said it starts off with like flashing lights, like it gets, you know, sorted by flashing lights, sort of like set off. And so I reckon what's happened is he's gotten way too hot, it's way too bright, and maybe where he's going through maybe shade or something, he's just passed out. Not enough food, maybe not enough sugar or something. Maybe he's not epileptic, maybe it's diabetes, early set diabetes, but you never know. But hopefully he's alright. Oh, he seems alright. Seems alright. My missus will probably be worried because I've stopped for a while. But I'll show her the video. It's hot. It's so hot today. But yeah, so I literally, you guys see it in the video anyway. That's a bit of a, you know, apparently he's been sat there since I think about 12 o'clock. And it's what, 2 o'clock when we pulled up to him? So if he's not long passed out, like if he's not long but just been found, that means he's just been sat there for 2 hours in a baking hot car, passed out, and no one's helped him. And if that's the case, that in itself is absolutely, that's disgusting. That's absolutely disgraceful, mate. Why are you parked up like a fucking... I think he's gone for a piss. I think he's taking a little bit of a waz, you know? Anyway, yeah, so please don't pull out. I've got, you know, thank you. You know, but he helped me. He just went and fucking opened the door. I was like, at the end of the day, if someone is, I don't really know what to do in them situations. I was about to, but I didn't know if he was going to react badly or if he was going to kick off or whatnot. You know, and I was trying to be careful, but the other guy just went in there, opened the door, did what needed to be done, fucking tapped him, woke him up. Apparently he's medical struggles. And apparently he's waiting for an assessment at a minute. But apparently it's going to take like 6 months. Medical system is fucked, and that is believable. 6 months is a long time. It is one of those things that will set you off today. Like, today is one of those, you'll probably find a lot of people who are passing out, and honestly, I fucking hate these lot. These lot, wankers. Cunts. Honestly, cunts. Fucking dickheads. They park, honestly, all the way up that fucking corner, they're parked all the way down. Oh, that's a sad sight to see. Skoda Fabia. Rotting away. So much potential. It's really hot. But hopefully he's alright. He seems like he was on the phone, so hopefully he's just calling an ambulance. Why is he running so quick? Is that my cousin? No, that's not my cousin. Still pulls nicely though, so whatever is going on there, definitely affecting how it's riding. It's just noisy, I don't know what it is. It's definitely a valve issue. Valve clearance issue, that's what it'll be. Or too tight a CCT or CCT failure or something.